Hi everyone. Welcome to Best Homeo Guide. If you're looking for natural and effective homeopathic remedies for cough and cold, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share the top 5 homeopathic medicines that can help relieve your symptoms quickly. Make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more homeopathy tips. Causes of cough and cold. Before we discuss the remedies, let's quickly understand what causes cough and cold. Viral infections, like flu, common cold, seasonal changes, cold weather, dust, allergies, weak immune system, exposure to pollutants and smoke, common symptoms of cough and cold. The symptoms may vary, but some common ones include runny or blocked nose, sneezing and sore throat, dry or wet cough, fever, body ache, and weakness. Now, let's move to the top 5 homeopathic remedies that can help you get relief. Best homeopathic medicines for cough and cold. 1. Aconitum napellus, for sudden onset of cold. Best for cold caused by exposure to cold wind or sudden weather change symptoms, high fever, dry cough, restlessness, and thirst. Dosage, 30 c. Potency, 3 times a day. 2. Bryonia alba, for dry cough and throat pain. Best for dry, hacking cough that worsens with movement symptoms, dry throat, chest pain, and thirst. For large quantities of water. Dosage, 30 c. Potency, 3 times a day. 3. Pepper sulfur, for productive, wet cough. Best for cough with yellowish or thick mucus symptoms, sensitivity to cold air, rattling cough, and sore throat. Dosage, 30 c. Potency, 3 times a day. 4. Spongiatosta, for barking cough. Best for dry, barking, croupy cough symptoms, cough worsens at night, difficulty breathing, and throat irritation. Dosage, 30 c. Potency, 3 times a day. 5. Antimonium tartaricum, for rattling mucus and chest congestion. Best for severe mucus accumulation in the chest symptoms, weakness, difficulty in coughing up phlegm, and drowsiness. Dosage, 30 c. Potency, 3 times a day. These homeopathic remedies can help relieve your cough and cold naturally. But remember, if symptoms persist, consult a homeopathic doctor. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Best Homeo Guide and hit the bell icon for more homeopathy tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.